Greetings everyone, Forge Turbo here. Today we're taking an unboxing of, well, this mysterious box, I guess. If you're a long-term Sennheiser buyer, you would have noticed the blue strip down here. So this is the Sennheiser, well, packaging, Amazon. So I bought this from Amazon. This is the Sennheiser HD 579 open back style headphones. So I'm pretty excited about these. I got these off of a sale, I guess. It's about 135 Canadian. So that's about the price. Well, if you get a 559, which is like the lower end model, that'll be like 130-ish. If you get the 599, that'll be like 250, 260 to 330. That's all in Canadian. I'll put some US dollar conversion in there. Ish kind of price, so I'm pretty happy because it was going for like 200-ish and went down in price. So let's take a look at the box, I guess. So all of the HD 579s come in this grayish color. You can't really tell from, well, you can, I guess. It's not very pronounced on the box, whatever. So HD 579, setting a standard of home audio experience. So this is an open, that's why it's home experience, because this is open back. So you don't want to take it on a train or commute or buses or planes. It's going to have a very open sound stage, so to speak. And well, that's the legend about open back headphones, because I haven't had any before, and this is my first taste of open back style kind of headphones. Some Sennheiser logos, Sennheiser logo, Sennheiser. Very notable 2-year warranty if you buy from an authorized retailer. I think Amazon counts as one. I don't know. I'm not really sure, but good to have for sure. You have your certificate of authenticity, I guess. Yeah. Around the ear headphones. So these are over ear instead of like on ear headphones, which is great. Let's look at English because I can't read the rest. Sennheiser transducer for optimal sound experience. Comfort AirPads for long listening sessions. Replaceable AirPads. It doesn't talk about replaceable cable, which I think it does have, which is great. And technical details. Here, yeah, don't mind pausing the video or something. So you have a frequency response 15 to 28,000 hertz. Impedance 50 ohms, which is kind of high. For like a phone, I guess. So this is mostly designed for I don't know, studio use, home use, when you're sitting in front of your PC mostly, I guess. Sound pressure level 106 dB. You have no idea what that is. And total harmonic distortion is less than 0.2%. At 1 kilohertz, 100 decibels. I have no idea what that is. Whatever. They kind of changed the package from the from what I've seen on the HD 598, a very popular one, replaced by the 599 for sure. So I think technically 579 and 559 is kind of like the new kids on the block. I'm not sure how they perform. There's a lot of kind of negative review regarding the 559. 579 is not really doesn't have much of an appearance on YouTube yet, so I don't know. That's why I'm doing an unboxing, I guess. So they do away with the pull tab kind of like a loop. They cut a hole here and then there's a loop. Kind of easy unboxing, I guess. They went back traditional style, just plastic tabs. It's okay. I'm okay with it. Okay, pretty clean cut, that's all good. Take a look. Okay, it doesn't want to drop down, really, but... Oh, we didn't take a look at the bottom. I guess serial number, and your barcode, blah blah, legal information. Don't forget to recycle your box, it's important. Oh, and on this side, okay, it did talk about detachable cable, I'm terrible. So what's included? The headphones, detachable cable, 3 meters, with a 1/4-inch jack, so 6.3 millimeter, as the Germans say it. Instead of the 3.5 millimeter mini jack. So actually for the 579 you will get, or above, which 599, you will get a, the unboxing experience is not great. You will get a converter. Okay, this is why. I'm stupid, that's why. So you push this in, get it kind of over. Wow, that's really, do German people in boxes here? Okay, now it's better. All right. Take a look. So the color, that's what I'm saying, the color isn't really accurate. You have this, very soft foam, very good. You have this sticking out, and shouldn't touch it. What's my hand? It's gonna rust. My hand is like super greasy and everything. So it's no, okay. Dropped it. Okay. No branding. I thought it's gonna say Sennheisers on it. Not really. So this is a mini 3.5 millimeter jack to the large 1/4-inch. Usually you will see adapters the other way around, which is from 3.5 to 1/4-inch. This is designed for quote-unquote professional use, so this kind of got changed. Here you go. Here's the HD manual for it. Safety instructions, I guess. HD 559, 569, 579, 599. 569 is technically a different design. It's a closed back, so that's I think that's kind of out of the, well, it's the design, like the appearance design is similar, but I consider it on its own level because the driver is just completely different. Not, I'm saying that 559, 579, 599 is really similar, but they're all based on the open back design. So you have the cables in here already. Out. Okay, so the cable is connected with it. I have no idea why. And this is a Sennheiser style locking cable. So you kind of twist it to unlock it. So you see the lock on top of it. I don't know if it's going to focus. Yeah, so you see that? Yeah, that's the lock. So you press it in. Okay, this is, okay, technically I don't like this kind of design. It's terrible. Okay, press it and then you, oh god. See, this is why I don't like it. So I saw that, okay, now you got it in. So you push it and then it kind of just fall in place. You do a clockwise turn. I don't like it. I saw these kind of design on the Momentums and the wireless Momentums. I didn't like it. So that's a thing. Then you have your 3 meter cable. Again, for professional equipment use, longer cable is good. This is replaceable cable, yes, but it's the 2.5 millimeter kind. No microphone included, so that's kind of the thing. Very nice quality, wrapped in plastic, everything, and you have a little Velcro, so it doesn't get messy. I'm actually not going to use these because I want to try out if it is compatible with third-party 2.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter cable. That would be good. So unlike the 559, you will have, well, a full metal grill. That's good. On the 559, I think they're like plastic, which is not good. You have this like, I don't know, cloth suede kind of ear pad. Pretty soft. I like them. And you have top. You have, it's not very memory foam, but it's foam, leather tops, and actually doesn't, okay, it only says Sennheiser on one side. That's kind of odd, but I guess it does help you distinguish what side's left and right. Pull down for your humongous heads, like mine, which is humongous. Yeah, that's pretty decent sized. Inside, HD 579. On the other side, it doesn't have it, huh? So it does allow you to distinguish which side's left, which side's right. And again, this color scheme is, I think, is only available on the 579. On the 599, you have the 598 kind of beige white, and then you have a black and white, black, I think. So, but on the 599, I don't know, the 99 series, not really 99, but the XX9 series, you have this kind of a Sennheiser badge with this metal connecting piece on the side instead of anything else, like the 598, where you only have a Sennheiser logo in a different color in the middle. So that should be everything for now. Oh, people did bring up this. So this, some people say, will hit their ears, which is not very comfortable. I guess I get it, but I'll try it for myself in the coming weeks and days. So subscribe for any further future videos regarding the HD 579. I'll be comparing it against a few headphones I have. The Sennheiser RS175. Those are wireless, like home theater kind of headphones. I have a set of Sony hear-ons, first generation. That's on ear. Oh no, that's actually over ear. And then I have a set of Unbox Therapy recommended Sound Into CX05, which is like some small Chinese brand. They sound okay, kind of bass heavy, but so I'll do a comparison and have my experience with this open back headphone, I guess. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you don't, and leave a comment if you have any questions regarding the Sennheiser HD 579. This is Ford Trouble, signing off.